A lot of people think that coming up with high quality content, you need an expensive camera, expensive microphone, and expensive lights. No, that's not true. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. And please make sure that you subscribe. Now, this is the most interesting part. Have you been wondering which kind of a camera I use to capture my videos? Yeah, this is what I actually use to capture my videos. Right there, as you see. So this is the kind of camera that I use. This is a Sony Xperia 5. And this phone, I like it so much because it was designed for content creators. It has a very good kind of software that supports content creating. And that's the reason why I bought this phone. And it is so cheap. You know, this phone is so cheap and good to content creating. And apart from this phone, I have this tripod. This is what I use to hold my camera. Let me try to show it to you. Okay, this is it. This is what I use to hold my camera and my phone. And, you know, sometimes people get challenges on clicking, like to begin recording. This tripod came with this switch. So this is a remote that came with this tripod. This remote, you just connect it to Bluetooth. And then you can start recording or stop recording just by clicking this button on the remote. Okay, apart from this remote, this is my light. I use these normal lights, the normal bulbs, and this is very cheap as well. So as you see, all my stuff, all my equipments, they are cheap equipments. My phone is worth $100, 100 US dollars, and that's not so expensive according to how much cameras cost and some other phones like Samsungs or iPhones. This is the kind of microphone that I often use in my videos. The reason why I say I often use this is because I learned how to enhance my video sound, and that's why I often use this microphone. But for a beginner, this is so much better. And this is how the box looks like, the box of this microphone. If you want to know more about this microphone, I made a video about this, and you can check the card right here after watching this video and know how you can improve your video sound, but with a very low price, a very low budget. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video. Leave a feedback. If you have any question, just ask any question in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching once again. See you in the next video. Peace.